Hello everyone, welcome to Staying Indian. This year I had the privilege of attending 17th NRI Summit in my hometown Indore. During this event I met hundreds of NRIs and PIOs and heard their stories. Our Prime Minister also highlighted the crucial role of Indian diaspora in contributing to India's growth and development. This inspired me to create an online community centered around the idea that would voice these stories and support us regardless of where we are. That's how Staying Indian, a podcast series, came into existence. In each episode, I would be interviewing Indians around the world and learn about their experiences and how they stay Indian living abroad. These conversations would cover everything from cultural traditions to career opportunities. As our platform grows, we will also provide resources and events to help us stay connected to our roots. Join me in Staying Indian, and together let's uphold the shared identity for a brighter future. Jai Hind.